What is up, guys? This is my plan. I'm starting this fitness channel thing, well, full day of eating, because I want to improve my life, I suppose. I'm a university student in the UK, currently studying visual effects for film and TV, so quite a lot of work. Yeah, I used to be not heavy, but I used to have some weight, and I've got to the point where I'm happy of where I am. Yeah, so I'm starting this because I want or would like some help and support from YouTube. Let me know if I'm going in the right direction or if I'm not. So yeah, my stats currently, I know I haven't got a lot of muscle, but I'm 114 pounds um, last time I weighed myself. By the end of this clean bulk, I'd like to be 140 pounds. Then that's my goal, and I'll see where I go from there. Currently, I'm eating 1,700. I know that's low, okay? I know that's very low, but it's more than what I've been eating. It's a lot more than what I've been eating, and I've had to get my nutrition in check. So I went on the bodybuilding forum and got some advice. People helped. So I'm starting at 1.7. I'm going to eat like that for 4 days, 5 days. So today's Saturday, so on Tuesday I'll see where I am. If nothing happens, I up my calories. But right now my macros are 190 carbs, 45 fat, and 150 protein. Yeah, so that's my starting point. Obviously I'll increase that. And I'm going to be doing 4 days of eating, so I'll show you everything: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Might be boring, I don't know, but we'll see. So I've already had my breakfast and post-workout meal, I could say. I'll show that. Unfortunately, I didn't get my breakfast this morning, but what it was 2 servings of fruit and fibre, and the macros for that were 240 calories, 42 carbs, 4 fat and 5 protein. And then my post-workout meal, which was lovely, was apple and cinnamon pancakes. I made that. You'll see a video. So it's 338 calories, 30 carbs, 10 fat, and 32 protein. I'm logging everything on MyFitnessPal. And yeah, so that was nice. And yeah, so I will see you at my next meal. So my macros for this are 47 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, and 40 carbs. This is a stir fry. My macros for the day, I went over by 22, which I'm not that bothered about. Carbs is under, fat over, and protein is over. But those I'm still adjusting. So homemade pancakes, they were brilliant. Yeah, right now I'm using a different audio recording because my other recording is rubbish. So right, so that's my day of eating. Hopefully people can help me improve with what I'm doing. I know I'm eating low carbs, not low carbs, low calories, there we go. It's a learning curve for me, so I'm still learning. Today I just filmed on my phone because it's easier, but tomorrow I think I'm going to film on my camera. I've got my audio recorder recording right now, so that's how the audio's so clear, I hope. Yeah, so I'm still learning. Any help from anyone would be much appreciated. So this is my full day of eating, and I will see you guys tomorrow.